Jai Shriman Narayan, Matru Deva Bhava. My salutations to our chairperson and my mother, Srimati J. Vasumati Devagaru, for making this campus beautiful with enchanting greenery. And she is our support system for all our family members. Pitru Devo Bhava. My salutations to my father and our founding chairman, Sri J. Bhaskar Rao Garu. We have this campus with multidisciplinary colleges, 10 colleges at one campus. This is one of its kind in Telangana. This is all due to his vision and hard work. As you have seen the video which was played, Dr. Nageshwar Reddy Garu, AIG founder chairman, had said, your father has a multifaceted personality. He is very versatile. My father was his patient, and Dr. Nageshwar Reddy Garu also took care of him when he had cancer. For him, my father had reached the pinnacle of success like Himalayan peaks. He had also faced challenges as equivalent to the Himalayan peaks. Many had written him off, but he rose like a phoenix and started the journey back here as an educationist. Earlier, he was the board member for engineering colleges. He started JBIT in 1998 with a vision for a deemed university. Rupesh Garu was asking me why you all haven't become the deemed university. Yes, KG to PG was his motto, and that's what he started the journey, 1998, and now we see this campus to fruition. He has faced many challenges. So his life lesson to all the students here who study in our campus is, yes, life will throw challenges at you, hardships at you. Sometimes it may be very heartbreaking to face all this. But at the end of the day, he used to say you should have a vision or goal and work tirelessly. He always had a positive attitude. No matter what, his attitude, this is my vision, this is my goal. And he used to have a dinacharya. He used to write, today, this is my work today. And he used to make sure all those things are done. If anything isn't done, the next day he used to make sure it used to happen. The calls used to go to all our workforce around 7 a.m. Okay, you need to do this, this, this. If he needed work with me, there used to be a knock on my door. Okay, I need this from you. It was like that. He was one of the outliers. The Harvard psychiatrist says, he has written a book, for those people who are like this, how does things work? Because in their mind, they have accepted this is my goal, vision, and this is what I'm going to achieve, come what may. So their subconscious also starts working for them. And things will start happening around them. I hope you learn this from his life. Sometimes even when I'm dejected, I think of this. And we all have a different meaning for success. It is, if you go and play a game, winning is a success. Only one person can win that game. But participating in that game is also a success. You need to work hard. So measure of success is different for all the people. So first thing is, if you don't even participate, if you don't even work hard, how are you going to achieve success? So that is what his life shows for us. And that is what I hope you learn from his life. Acharya Devo Bhava. My pranams to Sri 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 Chinna G.R. Swamiji Varu, who is the guiding force for my father and us all. I would like to extend my gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. A. Narendra Kumar Garu, Director of Medical Education, Government of Telangana, our guests of honor, Sri Chennuri Rupesh Garu, IPS, Superintendent of Police, Anti-Narcotics Bureau, Government of Telangana, guest of honor, Major Kunal Singh Garu, Officer Commanding of Intelligence, AP, Karnataka and Telangana. And the dignitaries, my brother obviously J.V. Krishna Rao Garu, and Mr. Vamshidhar is not here. We all, and Srimati Gayatri also, she's not here, but we all the family members work together, and my husband, who is my support system. Without him, whatever I do would not have been possible. So these are all the members. We work for the society and we make our father's dream and his legacy carry on forward. I would like to request a big round of applause for all the parents of our students, our esteemed chief guests, obviously for our chairperson and our founder chairman and all the staff and everyone. So is it that I can only hear a few claps? The students have not listened? A resounding one, please. It means you have not had dinner. Is it so? So there are many colleges which give degrees, though only a few give quality education. At Bhaskar campus, we provide education for enlightenment of knowledge, education for ethics and values, education with empathy, education for innovation, education for expertise in life and to be globally relevant. Recently, our Prime Minister, Honorable Modi ji, had said that 3 pillars of vision to invest in people are skill, healthcare and education. We have all 3 in our campus. Can you imagine our chairman's vision 27 years ago was in sync with what our PM Modi ji is saying now? Apart from health and education, we strengthen our students' technical skills, soft skills and life skills to face any situation in the present world. We are very happy to state that our campus has 10 colleges educating students in many disciplines: medical, dental, engineering, pharmacy, law, architecture. And all of these colleges being in one campus fosters innovation and the communication between them and the care also they get. If somebody is sick, they just walk over to the medical college. Somebody wants some dental this thing, they just walk over to the dental hospital. So it is very convenient for the students in this campus to access healthcare, learn new skills. The medical college, they can learn the skills. The engineering students teach them some skills. So we try to foster this. Our pharmacy students come to the Bhaskar General Hospital to learn. So it is a lot of this interchange of learning and ideas which go through in our campus. We are also happy that our students extend their expertise with empathy and concern wherever they go. In this world of now artificial intelligence and robots, I think empathy, compassion are the things which neither AI nor the robots are going to be able to show. So if you are multi-skilled and you're empathic and compassionate, obviously this is to your benefit. Service to humanity is service to God. Our founder chairman, Sri J. Bhaskar Rao Garu, had clear vision of providing health education and health care for this underprivileged area. This was a rural area. Obviously now this has become a real estate this thing, but in 2003 when Bhaskar General Hospital started, this was not so. This was really underserved area with only 2 colleges here in this area. So in 2005, Bhaskar Medical College was started with the intake of 150 students. Now 16 batches have gone through and 2,400 undergraduate students, MBBS students have graduated from this college, and 10 batches of PG students from clinical side have also graduated from our institution. We take particular interest in implementing the curriculum in true spirit and impart quality education to these students. We also give required support to overcome the academic and societal stress through regular counseling. In our efforts to improve the medical education standards in the country, our faculty, especially our Dean Dr. Chellam Garu, our Medical Superintendent Dr. GVS Murthy Garu, and our medical education team regularly work towards and contribute to faculty development program and implementation of the curriculum. The National Medical Commission of India has recognized Bhaskar Medical College as a nodal center for medical education technology, and it is a privilege given to only 14 medical colleges out of 780 medical colleges in the country. Today, the Nodal Center for Medical Education Technology at Bhaskar Medical College conducts advanced courses in medical education for 20 medical colleges in Telangana and surrounding states. We sincerely express our thanks to National Medical Commission, Government of Telangana, Kennard University, and Director of Medical Education for all their constant support in improving the standards of medical education. Balaji Dental College, in the year it was started 2014. That was the last college my father had taken interest. He really wanted a dental college in this campus. So he put all his efforts. So that because of that, we have a dental college, and it will be 10 years now, a decade. Intake of 100 seats, and plus the PG seats, BDS and MDS students. Both our medical and dental students have earned impressive reputation for academic and sporting excellence, consistently providing, we are having university toppers and gold medal winners, and also innovators of the T-Hub. And you heard our Chairman Garu speak that we are the only college having so many distinctions in medical college. So our medical students are keeping it up. I'm happy to say, and the dental college also, they have dynamic young faculty. They do a lot of work. We are grateful for all our faculty. And we take immense pride in the students' achievements and our faculty also in their research papers, reflecting the institution's commitment to nurturing talent and excellence. Bhaskar, as the name goes, is a rising sun to light the lamp of knowledge in generations. So this is a 27th annual day function. It was important to our chairman that we have a group annual day function. Every college, again, in turn, does its own annual day function. But it was important to be like a family, like a Bhaskar family in Bhaskar Nagar and a Bhaskar campus. That was his attitude. Very positive attitude, very family approach, very compassionate. Even if somebody didn't work well and I say, what should we do? He says, if we remove this person, he'll be on the road. What will happen to his family? His attitude was like that. So in 2005, whenever I used to observe some sarpanch, someone will come, he'll hire everyone. And then I used to say, we won't have efficiency. He used to say, we need to provide employment. He was very compassionate man, positive man, very hardworking, and beautiful vision. I hope you will imbibe all this and progress further. I want to thank all the staff, faculty, the students, and our guests who are here today. Thank you.